Today we're going to talk about the Longer Ray5. Longer is a company known for making 3D printers. Now they're taking a lot of their experience from user-friendly 3D printers and created the Ray5 laser engraver. The easy-to-use touch display allows you to fully operate the laser without being connected to a computer. Just load the files into the micro SD card or connect the laser to Wi-Fi and you can upload files and even operate the laser remotely. On the display you can frame and start any laser job, as well as you can adjust the speed and the power on the laser while it's running. To focus the laser, you just place the distance gauge on your material and lower the laser so that it rests on the distance gauge, before you tighten the laser again. All this combined makes this laser very user-friendly, even for people who are new to lasers. And it does not require you to have a ventilation setup inside, as you can simply use it outside. Anyone who has worked with lasers knows how much unhealthy smoke a laser can create. And if you are a more experienced laser user, you can also connect it to laser software such as Lightburn. This laser has a working area of 400 by 400 mm. We are using the 5W laser module, but Longer are working on a 10W laser to be released very soon. The 5W laser has a laser spot of just 0.08 by 0.08 mm, and the top engraving speed of the laser is 6000 mm per minute. We are going to test all these claims. First off is the working area. We engraved a square of 400 by 400 mm. The laser had no problem engraving it, and it did not crash into the sides. And to verify the work area, we measured both the length and the width, and it checks out. Test 1, OK. Next off is the speed. To engrave a 20 cm long line with a speed of 6000 mm per minute, so we expect the laser to cover the 20 cm line in 2 seconds. Again, this claim is true. Test 2 is OK. Then, over to the size of the laser spot. To measure this, we use a calibration card with very thin lines. If the line of the calibration card covers the laser line, we know that the laser spot is smaller. As we can see, it's bigger than 0.06 mm. It seems to be very close to the 0.08 mm line. And it's for sure smaller than 0.1 mm line. So again, it seems like this claim is true. Test 3 is OK. Unfortunately, we do not have a reliable way of testing the power of the laser, so here we have to compare the cutting capabilities with the other laser we have tested. We are running the laser at 100% power, 100 mm per minute, and the laser has no problem with the cut. This is up to par with other 5W lasers, so we are giving it a pass at this test as well. So, what can I do with this laser? As you have seen, it can cut up to 4 mm plywood, and here it's cutting acrylics. It does a super job engraving, and it's only limited to your imagination. You can start a small business or just create great gifts for friends and family. Here are a couple of examples of what we have used the laser for. Personalized coat hangers are cheap and very easy to make, but they look really good. You can also cut easy stuff like paper to create stunning invitations or decorations, or just simply plant labels. But you can also engrave stainless steel. Here we are engraving a wood chisel with a fun warning. The engraving is permanent into the metal, and you would have to sand it off to get rid of it. So far, we have established that this is a really good laser, and there are 2 improvements that we would like to see. First is end stops for automatic homing of the laser. You can of course home the laser manually, or just move it to the point where you want the laser to start. So this is no deal breaker for us. Second is that we would like to see an air assist. By using an air assist, cuts are going to be much cleaner with less staining on the edges. However, you could just lightly sand the wood to get rid of it. There are also 3D air assist models on Thingiverse that you can print if you have access to a 3D printer. If you are mainly going to use the laser for cutting, we recommend getting the 10W laser. If you want to see how a 10W laser performed, just click this video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.